Alright, so I'm going to give you a very quick demonstration of some of the features of Kaltura Capture. So if you are in your Canvas, find the course that you want to do this in. So I will go to Mine. Then you should see, down at the bottom, you'll see My Media. So hopefully you've gone through the steps shown in the trainings on how to install Kaltura Capture and get this up and running and get you to this page. But you have a few different options, so I'll just walk you through them. So your first one, you can click Add New, and you can upload media. So if you've already made something, say if you did a screen recording using QuickTime Player on a Mac, or you did it with PowerPoint on a PC and you did a screen capture that way, if you've already made it, you can then upload media from there. So pretty easy. Just click this and then select the file, whatever you have saved, and then it will then upload it. The most common option that you're going to have after here is probably going to be this Create Media. So let's click that. And once you already have the Kaltura desktop recorder installed, we'll just click Open Kaltura Capture. And it might be open in the background here. So there is our Kaltura Capture. I will then go to New Recording. Bar across the top that I can do choose what screen I want. So I have multiple screens, so it gives me multiple options. But if you're doing this on just one monitor desktop or your laptop, you'll probably only see this. So just choose the screen that you want. You can either do full screen or select select an area. So if you're like, I just want to do right here, you can select an area. If you have a camera, you can use that as well. So when you have your finished recording, you will have both whatever your camera was showing, and then also your screen. I won't subject you to seeing me. Now you can also turn on or off your audio. So make sure that you select whatever mic you're using. It's probably a built-in mic, but if you have an external one, great, choose that. So that's how you select those three important settings beforehand, and then just click the Start Recording button. That will give you a countdown. So you've got all kinds of different options that you can use in here, and I can use my pencil, my little pen, and type something if I wanted. And hello. So that's how you do that. So we're going to click Stop. Are you sure I want to stop? Yes. Stop. I guess I had my camera enabled. Should have disabled that. But so now you can see that's what it looks like with video. And then this is what it looks like with your screen being captured. You can name this whatever you want. Let's do Save and Upload. And you'll see that it is now appearing here, and it's pending as it has to upload. So we can close that out. Now our next option from My Media. So let's go back. And we're going to go to Add New. And let's do Express Capture real quick. So you will get to see me on camera. Hello, this is me. So you can choose what camera you want to use, what audio you want to use, and you can just very quickly and very briefly just record yourself sending a message. So if you had something you want to say to your students, open it, click the red button. Hey students, you all get A's. Stop your recording. Look at that. So you can either download this as a copy, or you could go to Use This, or if you want to record it again, you can record it again. So let's go to Use This, and I could change this to whatever I want. Everybody gets an A. You could have it private, whatever, however you want it to be. All of these are pretty self-explanatory, and we're going to save it. Great. So still being processed. So let's go back to My Media. Now look at that. There's what we just recorded a little bit ago, and then here's this currently being processed from the Express Capture. So those are the most common uses you'll have. So again, upload your own file. This you can do a very quick webcam recording. If you have a YouTube link, obviously you could do it here. And if you want to create media, being that you want to do a screen capture of whatever is on your screen, say a PowerPoint, a PDF, whatever you want, you can do that with any annotations or have your webcam enabled as well. So those are the basics of using the Kaltura Capture options. So hopefully this was helpful.